Man, this is awesome. I love shrimp. Okay, whakalawhatu my coat. Mawhala, whakalawhatu, whakore mai ke ono mai e tau ki whanga hako. Hoko mai au ki whale kai. What's this place called, James? It's called Kung Fu BBQ and Hotpot. It's in Pamio. If you don't know, it's the old RSA across from the fire station. We came a bit early, so we're just waiting. My sister Missy's just arrived, and yeah, can't wait. Oh, hang on, I'm gonna go get my glasses because my eyes all tired. Yep.
Happy birthday, Sekpina. God bless you, boy, and keep up the good attitude in the sports. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Go it. Yeah.
Happy birthday. I hope that you have an amazing day, and
Yep.
Happy birthday, Sia. Thank you for being a good cousin, and I looked up to you when I was young. Yeah, thank you.
Go it. Yep.
Birthday, Sia. Just big man, love for you, bro. Got food. Small, forgive me. Good cousin. Happy birthday, new food. I wish you all the best, bro. Just a good man himself. Different leader. Just want to see this. Good was here. So proud of
Go it. Go it. Oh, don't want to block the microphone. Man, we are here early. It's very rare we get to come and have a little scope of the fair. Got the audience.
Just trying to map out my my dinner menu. Shucks, look at these, man. These are, I don't know what that type of crab is called. Oh, crayfish. Ooh, shit, better not film that. It looks undersized, bro. Yo, look at this. That's crayfish, bro. That's the I don't want to be accomplice to the undersized catch. Yeah. Oh, bro, I'm just here for the. You know when you come to a buffet and you have to strategize with protein at first, though?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Man, cool vibe. Cool vibe, too. Hopefully we have a private space. Yeah, man. It's awesome.
Any words for Sia?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, happy birthday, Sia Kupinga. 16. Tall, athletic, good looking. Man, it's pretty, it's pretty impressive watching all the stuff that you've been up to and playing sports for Niue and for Tamaki College. So do it while you're young and fit and chase your dreams. And yeah, keeping a good son to Sif and John, and wishing you all the best. Yeah, and just remember you've got a big family and we care about you a lot. So thank you for the birthday invite. Yeah.
Fuck it. Look at that. Oh, bird, that looks like lamb. Man, everyone is hungry. Hungry. Everything looks good. These are the sauces. Yum. Tauinu. All the stuff are getting ready. Yum. I love vegetable. No, that's middle. Whoops. We've got sliced beef, ox chili, kimchi. We've got seafood salad, chicken feet with pickled chili, fried peanuts, Chinese sliced tofu, marinated raw shrimp. Some more salad, burgers if you want to make a burger. That stuff, I love this stuff. That's one of my favorites. Some noodles for the soup. This is for the hot pot ingredients. Damn, man, this is awesome. I love shrimp. So yep. Wait, get in. Liam, any birthday wishes?
birthday, Shaku, and I hope you have a good day. And thank you for being a good cousin to me. Yeah, God bless.
E whakalawha tu makau. Tui e siwata haku glasses because my eyes, I'm tired. E lewa mohe e lahi e mohe haku. But we're in a private space, private room. Ooh. My brother Dave. Ari, did you want to say happy birthday? You didn't say.
Oh, happy birthday. You're a really amazing cousin. And God bless you and have an amazing day.
Oh, Lily, you want to say happy birthday?
I did it. Yeah.
Go it. So who's this? Jackson. So now we put the kalihimu in, the prawn, the noodle, and feke. Whoa. Ooh, we got the
Homo.
lamb. Ooh.
She's gonna get a candle. Oh yeah, no candle. This is short and simple. No candle. Short and simple. Please, short and simple. Daniel, do you want to say a few words? No. Honor, do you want to say a few words? No. Okay, but on behalf of my two boys here, thank you all for coming and celebrating his birthday with them. So we're going to sing a happy birthday song and then cut the cake and
Keo, osi e ati, amana ki ke tausi e leongi, ke whakaosi e papiong, si grandma, there's David, we got Sifa, still eating, Auntie, Steph, Faith, everyone.
For the family, be like this. My first time that I get involved with family, I usually start out because I don't like this kind of thing. But my wife can do much for good evening. Before we go home, it's like we're closing up. Brian, thank you. We're not.
Pai kupu.
Manuina Siaku, thank you Sifa for organising the dinner. Sorry we're running late, but this one had somebody at school. It's recorded this next week, so hope you enjoyed your birthday. Siaku, love you, bye.
Come over here. Any words for Penga?
Happy birthday, Penga. Great to see you and hope you enjoyed your celebration with all our family and make good decisions and all the best for the future endeavors. Happy birthday, Siaku.
Wako it.
Happy birthday, Chef Banger. I hope you enjoy your lunch here. And yeah, that's it.
Yep.
Thanks, dear. Thanks for fun dinner, yummy dinner, and we wish you all the best.
Yep.
Good.
Thank you so much, Sifa. And if it goes, just give it up yourself, man. This is your parents. Eden for Sifa. Good man you are. Great muscles you have. Love. And also want to say is give me some love here. Go it.
Happy birthday, Sia. I hope you have a good day and I hope you have a good day today and have a good life and keep on learning of your great qualities and learn about how strength and how brave you are. Bye.
Here's the birthday man here. How old are you, Penga?
16.
Thanks for the birthday invite.
Thank you for all the gifts, family. Appreciate it.
What's your plans for this year?
Just stay in school.
Nice.
Play some rugby.
Man, stay sexy, eh? Alright, thanks, Penga.
Happy birthday, Circle. Hope you have a good 16th. And yeah, that's about it.
Maybe too soon. Maybe an arse. But I can't be riding the same towel, really. No. Oh, getting old. Yeah. Yeah, Uncle Cameraman behind me. Hey, let's go. Yeah, Uncle Cameraman over here.
Alright, any words for the bro?
Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday and enjoy the drink up. Gang and Neil. East side is where it's at.
So,
On the east side of the Giaca. I'm well banging that. On that old block.
fuck all it. Alright, man.
Happy birthday, Circle. Thanks for inviting us to his birthday. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Honor. Yo, any words for the YouTube channel?
Just live life, eh?
East side, baby.
Sheesh.
Just live life, eh?
Fuck all, Honor.